My grandfather was a pretty popular guy here in town. He couldn't go 100 yards without running into someone he knew. What struck me about those times is how he always treated everyone exactly the same. It didn't matter where they came from or what side of the tracks they lived on. He gave them all of his full attention. I tell that to all of our technicians and representatives here at Air Assurance.
And over 30 years of positive customer reviews tells us we're doing something right.
Call Air Assurance today.